Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a potentiometer. Potentiometers are versatile three-terminal variable resistors, essential for many electronic projects. They allow you to precisely control voltage or resistance within a circuit. You will identify two fixed outer terminals and a central wiper terminal. The wiper moves along a resistive track, changing the resistance between itself and the outer terminals. Understanding these parts is key to proper connection. To use a potentiometer as a variable resistor, or rheostat, connect one outer pin to your input signal or voltage source. The other outer pin should be connected to ground or the opposite signal. The crucial middle pin, known as the wiper, then provides the variable output. As you rotate the shaft, the resistance between the wiper and the connected outer pin changes, effectively controlling current flow in your circuit. For a voltage divider setup, connect one outer pin of the potentiometer to your positive voltage supply, typically 5 volts. The other outer pin should be connected to ground or 0 volts. The wiper terminal then outputs a voltage that is directly proportional to its physical position. This configuration is incredibly useful for providing analog input to microcontrollers, allowing for precise control over various functions. When selecting a potentiometer, choose one with the appropriate resistance value for your specific circuit. Also, ensure its power rating can handle the current draw of your application to prevent damage. Consider whether a linear or logarithmic taper best suits your control needs. Linear is for direct changes, logarithmic for audio. Always double-check all your wiring connections carefully before applying any power to your circuit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.